Hi everyone, today we're going to be building a snowman. This is the warmest way you're ever going to build a snowman. So, I'm going to use a Sharpie on camera. You can use a pencil and an eraser. I do this so that you can see better on the camera. Now if you would like to trace some circles to make your snowman, you can do that, or you can try to draw your circles. So I'm going to start with a large circle on the bottom of the page. So if you're tracing, you'll want a large lid, maybe like a peanut butter jar or something like that. And then we're going to use a medium circle, and I'm going to overlap. I didn't make my circle all the way close. So I'm going to overlap those a little bit, and I'm going to leave the top of that circle open. And then a smaller circle, maybe about the size of a Gatorade bottle or something like that, or the bottom of a water bottle. And we have 3 circles. Now I'm going to follow this line under the snowman's face to make a parallel, a line that looks like train tracks. 2 lines that don't touch. They look like little curved train tracks. Okay, now I'm going to move my camera in a little bit for you. I'm going to use 2 rectangles. 1 and 1 right beside it. 2. 1, 2. Let's make the snowman's eyes. Small little circles, very tiny circles compared to this big circle. And let's give him a triangle on its side for a carrot nose. And let's make a smile with dots. Tiny little circles. I can color in his eyes. Let's give him some coal circles for his belly button buttons. Let's give him some arms with rectangle shapes, and then make the rectangle go up. Now we can give him some fingers. This arm, we'll take it out, little skinny rectangle, and point one arm down, another rectangle, and little fingers, little rectangle fingers. Or you can make fingers and hands that look closer to yours. Let's see, he's missing something here. Let's add a hat. Rectangle on its side. Now a tall rectangle standing up. Let's add a hat band that we can color in a few minutes. And let's give him something fun to color. Let's give him a candy cane. It looks like a letter J upside down. Let's try that together. And we will make lines to make the candy cane look like stripes. Now for fun, let's use a wavy line to put the snowman in the snow. And we're ready to color. I'm going to be using green, red, and blue, and yellow, and maybe a bit of brown for my coloring. First, I'm going to use brown to color the twig, arms, and fingers for my snowman. You can choose the color you like. These were rectangles until we colored them. Now it makes the form of an arm. Let's color this one. You can always use crayons or colored pencils, and you don't have to color at all if you would like to just do the drawing. You can just use pencil and eraser. I'm going to use green on part of my hat. I'm going to use orange on his triangle carrot nose. Now I will use red to fill in the stripe on his hat band and to color his scarf. The rectangles now help us to understand a scarf on a snowman. Let's not forget the candy cane. Every other section I will add red. I can make a candy cane by making a repeating pattern. I made a repeating square pattern, and I'm also making a repeating color pattern, red, white, all the way around. I'm going to add some black to the snowman's hat. And you have your first snowman. If you would like to use another repeating shape or pattern, you can always use the repeating shape of circles to make it look like it's snowing with your snowman. Or you could use repeating colors to make your scarf fancier with red, green, or another color that you like. I hope you have fun with this drawing. See you later.